Hi, in this video, I'm going to give a detailed explanation on how number of posts promoted at once setting in post boosting feature works and how to run posts for a certain amount of days. Let's go. Number of posts promoted at once setting at the Filters tab defines how many posts will get into promotion simultaneously within the duration set in the Run for X days setting. Each auto-boosting rule creates a new ad campaign in your Facebook account and stores all posts that meet the rule's boosting conditions as new ad sets within this campaign. The priority is always given to the most recent posts. So let's say you set number of posts promoted at once to 2, and you have 2 posts published that meet boosting conditions. These 2 posts will be promoted. Then if you create a third post and the original 2 are still active, the oldest of them will get paused and the new one goes into promotion. It is also possible to promote posts that were published on specific days of the week, for example on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. There is one more setting that affects how long your post is promoted for, and it's called Run for a certain amount of days, which is placed at the Adsets tab under the Schedule section. You can set your posts to run for X days. However, in case you publish a new post that meets rule conditions during the set period of time, the new post will be promoted even if the older one has not run for the specific number of days. Let's say you scheduled the rule to run 3 ad sets for 5 days. In case you publish the new post in the 3rd day and it meets the filtering conditions, the oldest of the running posts will be paused and the new one will go into promotion for 5 days. If you'd like to give your posts time to run without being pushed out by new posts, you can set the rule filters to promote posts less frequently, for example, by using the filter published more than 24 hours ago. That's it. Hope it was helpful. Let us know if there are any questions left, and happy automations!